You have $3.5 million burning a hole in your pocket and you're moving to Dallas, Texas and want to know what you can get? Well, come with me today. We're going to tour this absolutely beautiful 2022 modern. It's a 5-bedroom, 5-bath, 3 stories. You see the rooftop porch on top, 4,600 square feet, and I think you're really going to enjoy it. It's located at Lemon and Lovers Lane. Excellent location to be close to the airport and everything around it, from restaurants to shopping, you name it on this thing. So I'm John Wendell with Keller Realty. If this is the first time you come to my channel, if you would subscribe and also ring the bell, be notified of any other tours that I put on a weekly basis. I think you're going to enjoy it. So come with me today. Let's tour this absolutely beautiful home. So what'd you think of this home? Pretty cool, right? Well, I thought I'd finish up on the rooftop deck, kind of show you how big this thing is. It is absolutely enormous. If you like to entertain, you have tons of area. So this neighborhood is called Randall's Plainview. It's up and coming, so it's kind of a hodgepodge of houses over here, but get in quick because prices are going to keep on going up and up and up. Again, I'm John Wendell with Keller Realty, and if you're interested in homes in Dallas, Collin County, Denton County, I would love to help you out any way I can. My contact information will be below, but until the next video, I hope you have a great day.